My name is Mavis Jamena and I'm an admissions officer. I do recruitment at the admissions office. That's my role. For the past 8 years. So I've been with Ashesi University for the past 19 years, and since I joined admissions, we've been doing paperwork. People apply, they scan and email it to us, we print it, and then file it. The process was so cumbersome, and we didn't have institutional memory because of the paperwork we were doing, unlike the online one we are doing now. Former students could just call and then ask for data, or maybe ask for their transcript or something. But in the past, it was paperwork, and by now we've destroyed and shredded all those folders. I use the interview part a lot, and I edit application, and I'm able to also download the folders and send to non-admission staff who are not a part of DreamApply so that they can do interviews for us. And I also download Excel sheets if I need to quickly work on something. We are very comfortable and it's user-friendly in the sense that you don't need much recruitment on this. I mean, if you are taught once or twice about something, when you sit and practice it, it's very easy to use, so you can easily adapt to it. Like I said before, records, because every institution, we need storing of records to grow, so at least we have records of all our applicants, whether they got in or not. Yeah. I'll urge all of you to use DreamApply because it has helped Ashesi admissions and it's made it easier for us. Even new joiners, within a week or two, they easily adapt to the system. Yes.